A Bloomington man has spent the last 25 years in prison for a crime he maintains he didn't commit. Bart McNeil was convicted in the murder of his daughter in 1998. It's Tuesday evening. I'm Tyler Lopez.
And I'm Amber Kriska. Today is a new step in his fight for innocence as his legal team presents new evidence they believe will grant him a new trial to clear his name. Janice Rebels was in the courtroom as we heard from some witnesses for the very first time. Janice.
Tyler, Amber, it has been a long process for the Illinois Innocence Project to be granted the ability to present new evidence to the court. McNeil has long maintained it was his ex-girlfriend, McNeil, that killed 3-year-old Christina. But it wasn't until 2011 that Bart's case got a lot of attention after Masuk brutally murdered her mother-in-law.
25 News has been following this case since 1998, when Bart McNeil's 3-year-old daughter was found dead in his Bloomington apartment. Her death was initially ruled as natural causes, but Bart called Bloomington police back to his apartment 4 different times, adamant that his ex-girlfriend McNeil broke into his home to kill her. This ultimately led to his own arrest and a 100-year prison sentence. It wasn't until 2011 that Bart's case got the attention from the Illinois Innocence Project and Exoneration Project after Masuk killed her mother-in-law in a gruesome murder. Tuesday's hearing was an evidentiary hearing where Bart's legal team presented new evidence to the judge that they believe will prove Bart deserves a new trial. And for the first time, Masuk's daughter took the stand. Michelle Spencer described Bart as a father figure when she was 8 years old.
He was always nice to me, talked to me. We used to play computer games together.
The reason she was called to testify, a possible admission of guilt from Masuk to her then husband, Don Wang.
He was just out of the blue, said, you know what your mom told me one time? And I just sat there and stared at him and said, no, what is that? And he said that she had killed Christina.
This conversation allegedly happening at a celebration of life for Don Wang's mother, Linda Tida, killed by Masuk. Michelle's stepmother was also there for that conversation.
And what did Don Wang say to you at that time?
He said he got in him and Masuk was in a big fight and that she confessed to killing Christina.
The state argues that conversation is just hearsay and that in a police interview with Don Wang, he didn't make that claim.
Did she never at any time ever confess to you or tell you that she killed Christina?
Not that I remember.
As for Masuk, she pleaded the fifth.
I had to plead to my fifth.
More than 9 times.
I never killed Christina McNeil, so.
Now the judge will decide if Bart should get a new trial. He didn't say how long it would take him to make that decision. Now, if denied, Bart's legal team fully intends to appeal the decision and take it to the Illinois Appellate Court. Back to you.